What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Train. So in today's video I have my DIY skincare routine, all natural products, all ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. And if you want to know the routine, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I'm just showing you guys all the products that you're going to need, and then I'm going to go in detail and explain what all the products do and what they're used for. Starting out with lemon. Lemon is really good to even out your skin tone. It also motivates your pores to close and your face to tighten, resulting in smoother skin. So the next thing that we're going to be using is brown sugar, and brown sugar is mostly used as an exfoliator. It also is known to give you a radiant glow. It prevents acne and also reduces the amount of scars that you have. So the next thing that you're going to need is some raw and unfiltered honey. Honey is really good for acne treatment and prevention since it's naturally antibacterial. So I know this probably looks crazy as hell and y'all are gonna be like, what the hell, I'm not putting baking soda on my face. But y'all, I'm telling you, like, the baking soda is really the best thing ever, like in my skincare routine. I've noticed such a dramatic difference in my skin with using this, because it really prevented so many breakouts for me. And then the last thing that I'll use in my routine is vitamin E oil, 100% vitamin E oil. It's really moisturizing. Like, when I put this on my face, I can still feel the effects of it throughout the entire day. So yeah, this is a really good moisturizer for really dry skin. Alright, so the first thing that I always do is make my scrub, which is with brown sugar, lemon, and honey. So you see me squeezing a little bit of lemon juice into the brown sugar. Now I'm just taking some honey and squeezing that in as well. I'm not really using a measurement or anything. I'm just going by what the consistency is, and when I get the consistency that I like, I just stop. So as you can see, this is a little bit runny, so I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more brown sugar, not too much because you don't want to make a whole lot of it. And so I'm taking that much. Okay, that's looking a little bit more like it. So I hope this can help you guys figure out how much you need to put. So now I'm in the bathroom. I'm just going to apply the scrub to my face using this like dollar store face mask thing that I got, just because I didn't want to dig my nails into it and have all that stuff stuck underneath my nails. So yeah, just make sure you wash your hands before you do this, of course, so you're not spreading anything on your face. And I'm just lightly exfoliating. I exfoliate my lips because it tastes so good, y'all, and it's really good for your lips too. Your lips will be baby smooth. So after about like a minute or two, all the sugar should be mostly gone. And if not, then that's fine as well. I just like to make sure that it's kind of dissolved into my skin a little bit. And as you can see, I'm like adding a little bit of water to my face to start washing it off. And go ahead and splash a little bit of water on to wash the rest off. I don't use a face rag because I feel like that just makes it more dirty and like less sanitary. I don't know. I really don't even wash my face with rags. I usually just use my hands and like splash water on. And as you can see, this is how my skin is looking. Really soft, really smooth. I just let it air dry and it looks so good and so like healthy. I'm just so impressed with the results immediately after using this. So the next step is to tone our skin. So after we exfoliate, we're going to tone using the baking soda and lemon. Now I will say that I do add water directly onto the lemon just so that it's not as strong, because I do this routine daily. So like I said, this is really strong. Like, the baking soda is the really active ingredient. As you can see, like when I squeeze the lemon, it reacts with the baking soda like a chemical almost. So just be careful. So you really have to be careful with this, especially if you have sensitive skin. I don't want anybody to do this and like experience a bad reaction from it, just because it is a really strong combination, but it's natural. So I would rather do this than use like a chemical something from the store. So once that's all settled into your skin, we're just going to let it kind of dry down a little bit. So then we're going to wash it off after about like 2-3 minutes. Rinse it all off, and make sure you guys are really careful rinsing it off because the baking soda will get in your eyes, so be careful with that. And again, y'all, I'm so impressed with the immediate results after doing the routine. Like, look at my skin. Like, my skin has never looked this good, I promise you. So like I said, the last step in the routine is the vitamin E oil. And I know this bottle is really small, but like I said, this product works so good. You do not need a lot of this at all. It's so thick. The consistency is like so thick, you don't need a lot at all. And you don't want to like drag it across your skin. You want to just pat it like you see me do. And you can see how glowy and smooth my skin looks, y'all. I'm so impressed. I have been doing this for a month before I did this video, and like, I'm just in love with my skin now. Like, I cannot, look at how good my skin looks. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, my lovelies. If you guys do decide to try this routine, let me know either on my Instagram at TriniLove, or leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.